Hello, 7th grade scholars. We are in a new unit. We start chemistry, and we're going to talk about matter. All right? So when someone says, "What's the matter?" They're going to be talking about your feelings or, what's going on. But when we talk about matter in science, we use very specific names so that we can classify things and understand how they work. So let's see how scientists describe matter. All right, so what is matter? It's a really broad definition. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. So it's mass and volume. Okay, so you're made out of matter, the computer's made out of matter, and matter and energy go hand in hand in the universe. Okay, so matter is anything that takes up mass and space. Now, what is a substance? A substance is our chemical definition for matter that has all of the same composition. That's a big long word. What does that mean? Well, it's composed or made up of the same stuff. Okay? So if I have pure substances, that's what we like to work with. Pure substances. Matter that is the same stuff all the way throughout it. Now, we can break up these substances into elements and compounds. What's the difference? Well, an element is a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Basically, it only has one type of atom in it. Now, it could be monoatomic or diatomic or triatomic or other things like that. But essentially, here we go. All right? The element neon is made up of only single neon atoms. All right? Now, I can also have an element like oxygen made up of molecules. Now, each of these O2, where's my mouse? No, see, there you go. O2 is two oxygen atoms bound together through a chemical bond. Oxygen atom, bound together as O2. Oxygen atom, bound together as O2. It's still elemental. Why? Because even though it's a molecule, it's made up of only one type of atom. Cool? All right. Now, opposite from elements are compounds. Compounds are substances that can be broken up into multiple substances. Okay? So, the key with a compound is that they are joined in a fixed proportion. So, in water, I have one oxygen atom, the red one, for every two oxygens, and I get the molecule H2O. So molecules can be elements, molecules can be compounds, but compounds are made up of two or more simpler substances. So the molecule, there's my mouse, come on mouse, there we go. The molecule of water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. Two hydrogen atoms for every oxygen atom. I can also have ions, okay? NaCl. For every one Na, I have one Cl. One Na, one Cl. One Na, one Cl. They are always proportional, or they have the same ratio, a fixed ratio. And that's what a compound is. Now, unlike elements or compounds, you can have mixtures, okay? And mixtures are a combination of substances. But the issue is they're not always in a fixed proportion. So they don't always have the same number of atoms to another type of atoms. Cool? And those mixtures can be broken up into homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. Okay? That's what you're going to read about in your book. Okay? Homo means same, hetero means different. So in a homogeneous mixture, you have the same properties throughout the whole substance, throughout the whole mixture. In a heterogeneous mixture, you can visibly see differences in the components that make up that mixture. Okay? So this is your basic vocab. This is where we're going to start. Make sure you do your reading, pages 38 to 42, and fill out your worksheet. We'll see you in class.